Good morning friends, myself Dr. Rita Dutt. Today I will tell you some interesting facts about the healers and the healing practices in the past. 200 years ago, visiting the doctor was a risky business. Operations were performed without proper anesthetic. Open wounds often became infected and many deadly diseases could not be treated. Today, doctors can vaccinate, they use anesthesia, sterilization, and they treat with antibiotics. In 1928, Alexander Fleming discovered a mold that could fight germs. And 12 years later, Howard Florey and Ernst Chain developed this substance and invented the first antibiotic, penicillin. Many of the tools now used by the doctors were invented in the 1800s. The stethoscope, which listens to the heartbeat, the endoscope, which allows doctors to peer inside the body, and the BP apparatus that measures the blood pressure. Only 200 years ago, patients stayed awake during operations. Many had to be tied or held down. In 1846, American dentist William Morton used the chemical ether to anesthetize a patient while a tumor was removed from the man's neck. Isn't it interesting? And doctors once operated with their hands and instruments covered with blood from the previous operation. In 1865, Joseph Lister used carbolic acid to sterilize his hands, tools, and the air during an operation. Amazing. Another strange but true fact is, in 1667, a blood transfusion was carried out using a lamb as the donor. The patient, a 15-year-old boy who was bleeding to death, survived. Miraculous. Now, how the X-ray was discovered? In 1895, the German man Wilhelm Röntgen discovered a ray that passed through the flesh but not through the bone. As it was such a mystery ray, he called it X-ray. This marvelous ray was used to take pictures of the human skeleton. Imagine this. The first full-length X-ray of a person, complete with socks, suspenders, and keys in the pocket. Interesting. Now, I will tell you something about the traditional medicine. Many cultures treat illnesses with ancient medical inventions. Aboriginal people in Australia make poultices and medicines from bush plants. Tribal shamans in South America combine plants and rituals to make people better. Chinese doctors invented acupuncture more than 4,000 years ago. Acupuncturists insert very fine needles into special points on the body to stimulate the nerves and help the body to heal itself. Great!